Since it's going to be Christmas next week, WWE taped next week's December 23, 2024 edition of WWE Raw after tonight's episode of The Red Brand. And now the results and spoilers of next week's show are out on the web. So, as always, if you don't want to get spoiled, stop this video right here. And if you do want to know the results of next week's edition of WWE Raw, proceed. Next week's episode of Raw started with Drew McIntyre opening the show and cutting an intense in ring promo. He vented his frustrations about how he made sacrifices for the business and WWE and they went underappreciated. Drew McIntyre then claimed that he is done giving and will now focus on taking what it deserves, no matter what his truth offends. Drew McIntyre then singled out Roman Reigns and CM Punk. He then criticized the WWE fans for cheering them despite their actions, making it clear that he has had enough of them. Sami Zayn, who lost to Drew McIntyre at Saturday night's main event, came out and made his way to the ring. The two superstars then exchanged words in what is described as a chilling promo exchange by fans in attendance. This led to a brawl between Sami Zayn and Drew McIntyre, and as Drew McIntyre gained the upper hand, Jey Uso rushed out to make the save for Sami Zayn. Sami Zayn and Jey Uso worked together to send Drew McIntyre out of the ring, and thus the segment came to a close. We had a women's intercontinental title tournament match. Natalya, Alba Fire, and Io Sky competed in a triple threat match. In the end, Io Sky, who replaced Kairi Sane in this match, defeated Alba Fire and Natalya to advance in the women's intercontinental title tournament. We then had a backstage segment between the Alpha Academy and R-Truth. Pete Dunne, an American Made, also joined, and the Judgment Day also made an appearance during this segment. We then had a singles match between Chad Gable and Akira Tozawa. In the end, Gable defeated Tozawa by submission but refused to release the hold in the end in a classic heel move. Otis came out, stepped in, and made the save for Akira Tozawa. We had another singles match. Damian Priest took on his former best friend Dominic Mysterio. Damian Priest ended up beating up JD McDonough, who was dressed as Santa Claus. Priest picked up the win over Dominic Mysterio. After the match, the Judgment Day attacked Damian Priest, beating him down. In the next singles match of the night, The Miz lost to the Wyatt Six Dexter Lumis via disqualification after the Final Testament intervened in the match. After the match, the Wyatt Six came out to make the save. We then had a New Day heel promo. Kofi Kingston and Xavier Woods had issues with Joe Tess and Wade Barrett. They told Wade Barrett, "You are just like Biggie. You will never lace them up ever again." Kofi Kingston pointed out his mom in the crowd, saying, "This is the woman who gave birth to me," which was met with heavy boos from the audience. Kofi's mom disavowed Kofi Kingston, which drew heavy cheers from the audience. And it was finally time for the main event of next week's edition of WWE Raw between Drew McIntyre and Sami Zayn. After the match, the new bloodline, Tama Tonga, Jacob Fatu, and Solo Sikoa, came out and attacked both Jey Uso and Sami Zayn. Medical staff of WWE entered the ring to tend to the duo. This concluded the tapings of next week's edition of WWE Raw.